Hi, I'm Axel from B6. I'm going to present our project named A Mexico Free of Waste. We're going to talk about San Francisco as an example to be a country free of waste. I hope that you enjoy the video. Thank you.
What is doing San Francisco? What San Francisco is doing is collect the zero waste law and the rules or provision of plastic bags and containers. It's a mandatory for everyone to have three trash cans so they separate what is recyclable, organic, and waste. Garbage to frequently pick up the garbage, the nutrients are used in a compost, and the recyclables go to a company.
In San Francisco, there is only one private company called Recology that is in charge of collecting and reusing the city's waste. The fact that there is only one company in charge of collecting the what makes this process easier and faster.
Hi, my name is Heidi. In San Francisco, they also have collection program called Fantastic Tree. This is they have container in three different colors. Blue for recycling, green for composting, and black for trash.
Both composting and recycling became mandatory in 2009, and thanks to its success, it has attracted attention to other parts of the world.
We believe that it is important to apply this science project in Mexico, and the purpose of this is that in the not too distant future Mexico can use 100% of this waste and transform it.
We thought of the name of the system for Mexico and we chose this, a Mexico free of waste. Uh,
I will explain our zero waste project in three simple steps. Number one, we have to teach our people the correct classification of garbage, which is organic, inorganic, cardboard, glass, etc. This can really help lower the level of garbage. Number two, send the recyclables to companies that can process into raw materials or new objects. Number three, reduce the use of single-use products.
This way we can reduce air, water and soil pollution, conserve our natural resources, and environmental conditions can be improved to achieve the goal of a zero waste city by 2030.
What is recycling? Well, recycling is a process which objective is to convert waste into new products or raw materials for later use. We have clarified this subject. We will continue with more factors and how we can implement in Mexico.
Ideas for classifying and recycling trash. Number 1. Provide ahead more recycling bins on the street. The government should provide bins where people can classify the garbage into organic, inorganic, metal, plastic, and glass. Number 2. Give a fight to the citizens who do not classify the trash. This will help with a commitment of people to continue to separate the trash and move closer to our goal.
Set an schedule to collect the different trash. Create a collection schedule for recycling material and a color system to identify each one. Spread this system through official government channels, radio, television, and written advertisement. Explain the importance of recycling and encourage the population to participate. Recreational activities with recycled materials. Create cultural activities in schools in which children are taught to create objects with recycled materials. At the same time, they can learn the culture of recycling.
We need to have the strategic improvement So we can motivate our people this way. We can give an hour to a specific city or state for the most recycling place in Mexico every 5 months. This can be implemented in a very easy way, and it can be implemented in restaurants, schools, at work, and wherever possible.
Composting is the process of decomposing organic waste and transform into fertilizer. Organic materials is all that materials that roots, such as leaves, food waste, manure, feather, grass, etc. This can be implemented in Mexico by simply separate the garbage. The population will have to give a space to deposit this organic waste from entire city, hire personnel to work in the waste treatment, and give the population and local farmers access to the final product.
Hi, my name is Ilan, and I am here to tell you about reusing. This process means that the more objects we reuse, the less garbage we will produce and the fewer resources we will have to spend. Reusing is very important because it makes the product life longer, avoiding the need to recycle and saving energy, materials, and money in the process. Okay? Here are some of my classmates to tell you more about this topic. Thank you.
Some ideas to reuse are: number 1, reuse plastic bags in the supermarket or buy two recyclable bags. Number 2, use reusable plastic or glass container to save food and water, and do not use more plastic disposables. We can use lunch boxes to carry our food. And number 3, do not buy any more gloves. Reuse plastic bags. All this is for a cleaner country and to take care of the world.
Reusable containers. Reusable packaging is better than single-use packaging. Reuse extend the life and products and provide waste reduction and economic saving. Be a responsible consumer. For example, plastic bottles, aluminum bottles, containers, or toppers.
Hi, another way to reuse is to buy second-hand stuff. Do not buy new things, but buy them from someone who does need them anymore. These products can be electronic devices, furniture, clothes, accessories, and much more. Some second-hand places in Playa del Carmen are El Bazar, soy playense, and El Bazar. There you can find many second-hand products.
Reducing is more important than recycling. Things related to the environment are getting more and more serious. We have to take care of sustainability. What corresponds to us as responsible consumers is to be honest and learn to choose between one purchase option and another, the one that forces us to manage the least volume of waste possible. Because long before recycling, the most effective measure to help solve the serious problem of increased waste is to reduce it.
In Mexico, 102,895 tons of waste is generated daily, and less than 10% is recycled, and the rest goes to landfills. Mexico City, the state of Mexico, Jalisco, Veracruz, Guanajuato, Tamaulipas, and Nuevo León produce more than half to the garbage in the entire country. That is why it is very important to reduce the consumption of single-use products like cigarette butts, plastic beverage bottles, caps, plastic bottles, food scrapers, plastic lids, plastic bags, straws and stirrers, and foam containers to go.
Reducing. Hello, I am Emmanuel. We can with you to start reducing. It's important to be a person who recycles, but it's more important to be a person who doesn't generate waste. For that reason, we must start reducing waste in your home. We can start like this. Number 1. Avoid buying disposable diapers. Buy reusable diapers instead. Number 2. Use your own cloth bag to go to the supermarket. And number 3. If possible, walk or bike instead of driving.
Hello, my name is Josma. My ideas. Number 4. Reuse the same plastic packaging and do not buy bottled water anymore. Number 5. Collect all the cans and take them to our recycling center. Number 6. Do not throw away the batteries. Collect them in a box at home and reduce contamination.
My name is Alejandro, and some ideas that come to mind are: number 7, reuse rainwater; number 8, use more skylights and less electric energy; number 9, reuse all kinds of plastic bottles to make flower pots.
Hello, my name is Johan, and these are my 3 ideas for reusing. Number 10. When paying, takeout means avoid paying plastic containers. Number 11. Reuse the plastic water bottles. Number 12. Use the fruit box to create furniture for the house.
Hi, my name is Anaeli, and here are some strategies that the government can implement to reduce waste. In order to start making a change in reducing waste, the government must create laws to impose order of society, and this build the better future. 1. Make mandatory to use a reusable container. 2. Suggest consuming products for our country and avoiding products that produce garbage. 3. Register statistics. 4. We must not forget the sanctions for those who do not comply with established norms.
Have you ever been in a zero waste store? Hi, my name is Josias. A zero waste store provides a place for people to shop knowing their impact on the environment is as minimal as practically possible. We buy our fruit products in bulk quantities in either reusable, recyclable, or returnable packaging. We already have some zero waste stores in Mexico. For example, Somos Tierra in Mexico City. They sell beauty products. Half and Half in Monterrey. They sell beauty products and snacks. And Lado Verde in Guadalajara. They sell food. And many others. So, people should know more about these places and support this kind of initiative. Remember, zero waste is a goal that is both pragmatic and visionary, but we can do it together.
Francisco has a very successful zero waste program.
You can do something similar in Mexico? The answer is yes.
How can we start?
Some of the ideas are
classified to the garbage correctly. For example, plastics, cards, papers, metals, glass, and ceramic.
Try not to buy many plastic products.
And last but not least, start reducing. Goodbye, guys. Thank you.
Hello guys, I hope you have enjoyed our video. Now we will appreciate it very much if you answer the quiz that appears in the link of the video description right here down. Thank you.